Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record in 60 FPS in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. All you need to do now is to simply open your Instagram edits, and after that we will be needing to start recording. And the first answer is that there isn't some direct way to configure or to set up your settings or your camera settings to the 60 fps. All you need to do is to have your camera that is already pre-configured to start recording with 60 fps. And to do such thing, you will be needing to go to the settings of your camera. So here, if we go here, we will find on the insights, the recording tab, and the projects tab. And those are just some inspiration where you can see all some reels or some other edits so you can get inspired. And this is your ideas or just your collections. So you will be needing to go to your camera settings. You go to the settings of your phone, and after that, you will be needing to search for camera, and it will be either on the apps or depends on your application. And if you had your camera, you will need just to click on the camera, and from there you will be able to go to its settings, and you will need just to enable the 60 fps recording. Also, you will have some other options of choosing the resolution, if it is like 720p or pixel, or it will be like full HD, that means 1080, etc. And after choosing, you will be needing to go back again to your edits, and then you can start recording from the recording tab. So simply, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.